I want to talk to you about the partial sum strategy for addition. And the partial sum strategy for addition, we're going to start by looking at 136 plus 557. And it doesn't matter if the numbers are vertically written or horizontally written. Either way is fine. But what we're going to do in this is we're going to add the place value, but show our work. So for example, we're going to start, this is not a 1 plus a 5. This is in the hundreds place, and 100 is 100, and then there's 500. So we have 100 plus 500, which gives us 600. Now we're going to move over to our tens place, and we have 30 plus 50. It's not 3 plus 5, it's 30 plus 50, which gives us 80. And then we have 6 plus 7, which is 13. And then what we do is we add all of those together. So this shows our work. So it helps us make sure that we're trying to solve the problem correctly. And it helps us when we're trying to prevent any of those simple mistakes that we can easily make when we're doing computation. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add 600 plus 80 plus 13. And we're going to get our answer of 693. So what you want to do is make sure you're showing your work for each place. And this is really helpful because it prevents us from trying to put a 1 and carry or anything like that, because we're still regrouping things here because we have 80 plus 13, which gives us 93. Yeah, it just makes it a lot easier visually, and it helps us think through what we're trying to solve. So this is the partial sum strategy for addition, because this is the partial sum of part of the equation, then another partial sum, then another partial sum, and then we're putting it all back together. So it's the partial sum strategy for addition.